Piper, what are you doing?
I'm trying to make a snowman.
Oh, what do you have to make a snowman there? You have a black pipe cleaner and what? And you have a tool? A pair of tongs? You're doing a great job. Yep.
Is a tool.
Yes. Is that your tool to make a snowman out of pipe cleaner?
Black was my favorite.
Oh.
Black.
Okay.